News 8 is answering your questions about Indiana's new property tax law. Our government reporter, Garrett Bergquist, took them straight to the people who calculate what you owe.
A viewer asked me how homeowners can ensure they qualify for the deductions in the new property tax law. So I went to the Hamilton County auditor and assessor to find out.
We have a lot of mixed residential as far as townhomes, elder communities, and single-family homes.
Sadie Eldridge oversees real property and adjustments at the Hamilton County Auditor's Office. Her team calculates your deductions, like the 10% credit on your tax liability. That's available beginning with the taxes you pay next year.
It comes off of the tax liability, not the assessed value. So that's after other deductions have been applied and after the calculation has occurred.
Eldridge says that's automatic once you apply for the standard homestead deduction. The law phases out the fixed standard deduction in favor of a supplemental deduction by 2031. That will be 2/3 of your assessed value once it's fully phased in.
Right now, you don't have to apply for the supplemental. It's in direct correlation with the deduction, so nothing will change there as of now.
Eldridge says the rules for the disabled veteran deduction have not changed. The senior deduction now only requires proof your income is below $60,000 per year, or $70,000 per year if you're a married couple. Those are retroactive to January 1st of this year. And she says you don't need to reapply if you already take those benefits.
Our assessments are generated based on square foot of the homes and based on sales in the neighborhood, so we're comparing sales data found within each neighborhood.
That's your starting point for your property tax liability. Poor says sale prices are the biggest factor, but not the only one.
If you look at condition, like I said, we can look up here, we can see some evidence of, maybe some neglect or things that need to be updated, fixed. But outside of just, paint and things like that, as far as what goes into the assessment, we would consider things like what's the exterior construction. In this case, we have a frame exterior versus brick.
Based on that, if Poor valued your home at $380,000 last year, Eldridge says on average in Hamilton County, you could expect to save a little more than $300 on the property taxes you pay next year. You'd save nearly $1,400 by 2031. She says results will vary based on your home's value and what county you live in. And Eldridge says policies and procedures can vary by county, so make sure you check with your county auditor. In Noblesville, I'm Garrett Bergquist for Wish TV and WishTV.com.